Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to upload an HTML file to our website on Hostinger. If you, Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to upload your HTML file on, click on dashboard. Now go to files and select file manager. Click on access files of your website name. A new page opens up. It's the file management or the file manager app. Here, make sure to not upload anything here. So make sure to double click this public HTML folder first, like that. And then click on this up arrow. It's the upload button. Then click on file. Locate your HTML file on your computer and double click it like that. And it will be automatically uploaded to your website on Hostinger. Now to access this HTML file, it's simple. This is my website, so I will copy its address like that. My bad. Copy, paste it like that, then add backslash your HTML file name. For example, in my case, it's index.html. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. In my case, it's index.html. And when I hit enter, I see the content of my uploaded HTML file. Here, if you upload your file inside a folder that is inside the public HTML folder, like that, so I will create a new folder. I'm not sure how to create. Yes, this is new folder. Let's say, for example, you have a test folder. So instead of the public HTML folder, you uploaded your file here. I will repeat the same thing. Now to access this uploaded file, I should add a folder, or I should add the folder here before the uploaded HTML file name, like that, and hit enter in order to access it. So this is how to upload an HTML file to our website on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.